In this video, we're going to learn how to approximate the variance and standard deviation of a variable from grouped data. We're going to use the same example previous in chapter 3.3 using the exam scores for 34 students where the mean was calculated to be 71.68. So columns B, C, and D you saw in the last video. In order to calculate variance and standard deviation, variance, which is also defined as sigma squared, is equal to the sum of the individual values of x, which are each of these, minus the mean, which is the 71.68, raised to the second power times f, or frequency, for each of the class intervals here, divided by the summation of f, which is the 34 students. Standard deviation is the variance raised to the half power or square root of variance. So let's start populating the table. We'll click this cell, equals, so x, we're going to hit this cell, minus 71.68. Okay, and we're going to click the cell. We're going to see that little dot there. We're going to just drag and drop. Okay, and we've now populated the entire column. Now we're going to go to x minus mu raised to the second power. We're going to hit equals this cell raised to the second power. Once again, we'll click that cell, drag and drop through the entire range of intervals here. And then the last column will be this term will be equals the x minus mu raised to the second power times frequency value, which in this case is this cell, equals, and we will then drag and drop. Okay, so here are the individual values of x minus mu raised to the second power times f, or frequency. This equation is asking for the sum of those values. So we're going to highlight this. We're going to highlight the entire column. We're going to extend it one row, and we're going to come to auto sum. Okay, so this right here is the sum of all of these values. Okay, so variance is equal to this number divided by the sum of the f's, or the 34 students. So the variance is equal to this number divided by this number. Okay, that is the variance. The standard deviation is equal to this number raised to the half power. And let's just go up here and click number. And the standard deviation is 16.09. This concludes this video.